Isabella grapes fruit at growplants.org. This video I will try to explain how to manage the fruits. It's not about just what to do with it, it's about that the ripen it's not in the same moment. So in order to have purple, mostly purple, you need to expose the fruits into direct sun, or generally just to cut all the leaves. It brings less pests. I know that regular grapes, it's not recommend to do it. It's attract more pests. Here, if you leave it for the full sun, at least I have here less pests. It's more clean to harvest it. Before I harvest, unless I'm gonna do wine with it, I wash it on the plant itself. And why do I do it? It's in order to clean all the dirty pests out of it. I just clean. There is a lot of spiders they attract to the pests that come. So this is quite of nice, but you don't really want to eat it when there is a spider inside, and there is so much spider sometimes. So I just cut all the leaves. I leave it clean, and when I harvest it mostly in the same day. I do a major harvest because it's just easier. I don't talk about the eating. I use it for this one I don't use for wine. I have another one for wine, and this one I use for juice. It's a great juice, very very sweet. Some people say it's too much sweet, so you can use some water inside, then you have more juice. But uh, people ask me what to do with the juice, so I freeze it and then I unfreeze it when I want. Just shake it a little bit and continue to use it like it's like it's fresh. Okay, of course, the fresh is better, but there is so much that I can do. I cannot eat the same day all. Except this, after I harvest, I take a pile, as you can see, and fill it with a lot of water. I wait a few hours in the shade, and then I switch the water every time. I say 1 hour, 2 hours, I switch the water in order to take all the garbage of the pests, and because they live on it, mostly they are not inside. This is a major work with this, except that it's totally aggressive plant and you should contain the growth of it for easy pickup. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course like this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate, just ask, and hope you enjoy.